What's the meaning of animate? Animate. 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 Animate.
The term animate refers to the quality or state of being alive, moving, or having the ability to move. It is commonly used to describe living organisms, but can also be applied to other phenomena like movies and cartoons. Animate objects are characterized by their ability to generate their own movements and actions, as opposed to inanimate objects which remain motionless unless acted upon by an external force. Overall, the word animate implies a sense of liveliness, activity, and vitality that distinguishes something from its static or lifeless counterparts.